Hello everybody, and welcome to Law Bite number 124, dated December 4th, 2020. I'm Walter, your mobile historian and blue-collar scholar. This Law Bite is entitled Dual Sovereignty Explained. Dual sovereignty is a legal doctrine whereby a state government and the federal government, as separate sovereigns, may prosecute an individual or individuals for the same offense without it violating the Fifth Amendment's prohibition on double jeopardy, as long as the individual or individuals have broken the laws of both sovereigns. An example would be an individual or individuals were charged by the state of Maryland for money laundering. The state of Maryland would be free to prosecute these individuals, and the federal government, having laws against money laundering, would then also be free to prosecute these individuals after the state. Now, it doesn't have to necessarily go in that order. The federal government may prosecute first, and then the state may prosecute. It doesn't make a difference which order it happens. The bottom line, the point is that each entity, both the state government and the federal government, may initiate separate prosecutions, okay, for the offense, okay, if the individual has violated the laws of each separate sovereign, okay? A prosecution by the state in no way inhibits a prosecution by the federal government, an entirely separate prosecution altogether. If the state government, okay, and the federal government both have laws against a particular offense, an individual may be prosecuted legally under the U.S. Constitution without violating the Fifth Amendment's double jeopardy clause for said offense, okay? Dual sovereignty, for the record, has been a recognized legal concept in American law since 1847, okay? It was most recently affirmed as a valid constitutional doctrine in the U.S. Supreme Court decision of Gamble versus United States, okay? In that decision, which was a 7-2 ruling delivered by Justice Samuel Alito, the court affirmed dual sovereignty as a valid doctrine, dismissing essentially the claims of Gamble that it violated his constitutional protection against double jeopardy, okay? The two dissenters were an ironic bunch, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Justice Neil Gorsuch, all right? So dual sovereignty, once more, the quick, simple gist of it. Dual sovereignty permits the state government and the federal government as separate sovereigns to prosecute an individual for the same offense, okay? Initiating two separate prosecutions, one and then the other, okay, without violating the Fifth Amendment's double jeopardy clause, as long as the individual being prosecuted has violated the laws of each separate sovereign. The separate sovereigns, of course, being the state government and the federal government, okay? Once again, this concept is dual sovereignty, okay? Any questions or controversies, leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just hit that little red button on the right and we're in business. I greatly appreciate all your support. Take care, stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you at the next bite. Peace.